Hey everyone, John Henry here from School of Trade, and today we're going to be taking a look at a long trade here on the euro. This is a nice deep pullback to the channel lows here, just to confirm the channel lows. So we're long 4 contracts, 1.0747. Stop's going to come down here, doesn't have to be that wide, at 1.0737, so a 10-tick stop. The target that I'm going to be looking for is really just kind of a second push up. That initiating push happened really from this point right here. We had a nice strong move up from that little kind of flag that's set up. I don't really see a good way to get into that flag setup just because it was a little too volatile, and plus it was 5:30 in the morning. So a little bit hard to get into that one, but now we're kind of coming into a follow-up setup here, and it's looking like this area up at the highs, 774 up to probably 777 is going to be the area that I'm gunning for. So I'm going to take all in, all out at that point, 1.0774, and that's just to front run this, this measured move a little bit here. But really just setting up picture perfect. Drawing across the highs gives us this nice channel, and you can see it was fitting really well. And if you put it on the lows, that looks like that was just the channel at the time. But when you start breaking down like this, chances are it's probably going to widen out a little bit. Now you've got a nice little wide channel off the overall low, and we're getting confirmation of that point right there. So the fact that we're bouncing directly off of that level is a really, really big key for me. It looks beautiful. So looking for continuation for the upside, just for a secondary push, just like we had back here. Big push up, a little bit of a breakthrough here, and then another big push up, and looking to take profit off at 1.0774. And we'll see. It is a little bit early. We're coming in to 740 here in a couple minutes, and it's just a little bit early. And because of that, it might take a little bit of time to really get going. But this last candle that kind of formed right here just kind of smells like a little bit of a stop run, right? Just the way that the candle looks and the way that the slap below the lows like that and then quickly bounce right back up again. To me, they were just trying to get that test of the channel, a little bit of a stop run to stop all the buyers off the EMA through here and any double bottom buyers. Stop them out. Now we're clear to go. So just looking for a little bit of a move up, which we're kind of getting right now. Stops at -10. I will look to lock this in where I can, but overall looking all in, all out at 1.0774. All right, we're back. We're getting a big smash through these highs here. Looks like a lot of people who were selling the highs got stopped out at 63, and we're seeing that kind of continuation. Now, because this candle's been so big, I'm going to lock my stop into 1.0750. I don't want to give any back. And after this candle completes, I might even go back to the previous swing. Might not have to. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, so beautiful little stop run through the highs here, just enough to get our target taken out from the looks. Let me cancel my stop here. Beautiful move to the upside. Can't really ask for a whole lot more than that. If you're trading it as a flag, there is a possibility of a flag that was kind of working its way through here. Didn't really get back to the lows on that last push, but as it started kind of breaking up, you got that close outside, pull back to test. There's a lot of reasons to like this long trade. I like it just as a first test of the channel lows down here, but outside of that, everything else set up absolutely picture perfect. It didn't take that long really to get up here. I thought it was going to take quite a bit of time, going into 8:30 or so after the open, but in this case, it's only been 10 minutes, and not too bad at all. So that's going to be the trade overall from our entry at 747. We got taken out at 774, and that's going to be 26 ticks. So 26 ticks at 4 contracts, going to be 104 ticks on the trade, and just a gorgeous move higher. Can't ask for much more than that. Now, if you do have a runner target, you can look for the highs of the channel. That's kind of the next area, but we have really kind of completed that move that we were looking for already, so going to be a little bit harder to get any further targets in that. So maybe take as much off as you can. But 774 is going to be the overall target. We got taken out. Beautiful move up. So it's going to be the trade. If you have any questions about it, feel free to send us an email. And don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com. So as always, we'll catch you next time.